The Amrita ATL Marathon Training and Mentorship Program 2021-22 was a 3.5-month-long program aimed to prepare student teams from 3 schools to compete in the ATL Marathon Challenge. ATL Marathon is an innovation challenge conducted every year by Atal Innovation Mission, Niti Aayog. It is a national level challenge that is open to all Indian students studying in grades 6 to 12. The goal behind this challenge is to help youngsters gain a better grasp of community issues that are of national and societal relevance with the support of teachers and mentors of their ATLs. ATLs or Adult Tinkering Labs are school makerspaces that have been established by Atal Innovation Mission to foster a culture of innovation and entrepreneurship among pre-university school students.
IEEE STEM ambassadors and IEEE Education Society Kerala section volunteers from AMMACHI labs work with researchers from the Amrita Center for Wireless Networks and Applications and a team of experienced STEM professionals to mentor children in the makerspaces of the 3 schools. By providing training and mentorship for the children to do a hands-on social innovation project of their choice, we help children apply 21st century skills as well as technical skills such as maker skills, robotics, and digital and physical computing skills to their projects. We took the children through 6 steps of the IEEE Try Engineering's engineering design process for the ATL Marathon. We will now present a few glimpses of the student project journey from the video documentation of their projects.
Step 1 and 2. Identify the problem and research the problem.
This is the problem statement that we chose. Reducing your carbon footprint is important because it mitigates the effect of global climate change, improves public health, boosts the global economy, and maintains biodiversity. When we cut carbon emissions, we help ensure cleaner air, water, and food for our generation and for generations yet to come.
Our journey for ATL Marathon 2021 began in January. The 3 of us came up with 3 problems that moved us the most. We researched each of the problems and came up with different solutions for them.
Step 3 and 4. Ideate to develop possible solutions and select the best possible solution.
We went through an amazing journey before reaching this particular problem statement and solution. We first went through the ideation phase where we came up with problem statements that we were passionate about. We researched the problems we identified in each of the themes and possible solutions. We then came up with many ideas by following the double diamond model of design. We then placed the ideas in a graph with 2 axes representing the difficulty of the solution and the impact of the solution. From the trade-off analysis, we found that making a communication game was the most suitable solution we could work on for the ATL Marathon.
Step 5. Create prototypes.
Making of our prototype. This is our prototype, and this is a small video.
Step 6. Test prototypes.
I think it is an orange. I think it is an orange. It has high vitamin C content. It is necessary for the growth, development, and repair of all body tissues.
By applying the engineering design process on real-world problem solving, the children develop competency, autonomy, and a sense of relatedness. They also develop a sense of agency and a pro-social outlook to face life's challenges. We believe that this is a very powerful experience for the children.